Have you ever wondered if the very sprays you use to clean your home are actually making the air you breathe toxic for your family? Hello and Namaste everyone. I'm Dr. Murali Manohar Chirumamilla, your Ayurvedic wellness expert. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create your own natural all-purpose cleaners and what you can do to keep your home healthy and chemical free. Most of us rely on store-bought cleaners, but interestingly enough, these often contain harsh substances that can irritate your skin or lungs. Building on that thought, let us explore how we can use simple kitchen ingredients like vinegar, lemon, and baking soda to achieve the same results safely. Essentially, vinegar acts as a powerful natural degreaser while baking soda helps scrub away tough grime. To put this into perspective, you can use these do-it-yourself sprays on everything from glass windows and wooden furniture to stainless steel kitchen appliances. Coming to the point, I want to share a very effective recipe using tea tree oil. This is especially relevant when we look at killing germs naturally. You simply take a spray bottle and pour in half a cup of white vinegar. To this, add 1 teaspoon of organic liquid soap and 15 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now, add 2 cups of water. The final and most important step is adding 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Remarkably, once you add the soda, the mixture will start fizz and bubble. I will pause for a beat here, just in case you would like to reflect on that point. Don't rush to close the bottle. Let that fizz completely settle down before you put the spray nozzle on. Once it's calm, give it a gentle shake, spray it on any surface and wipe it with a soft cotton cloth. Does this align with what you have seen or heard before about natural cleaning? Next, another important remedy involves the power of lemons. While vinegar cuts through grease, lemon juice is excellent for removing stubborn stains and leaving your bathroom fixtures sparkling shiny. To make this version, combine half a cup of white vinegar with 4 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a spray bottle. Add 2 cups of water and about 5 or 6 drops of lemon essential oil for a refreshing fragrance. Just like the previous recipe, you will add 2 teaspoons of baking soda at the end. Again, it will fizz, so be patient. This specific solution works like magic on water deposits in your shower, chrome taps, and even bathroom mirrors. Having established these methods, let us look at the practical application and safety. It is a good idea to always do a small patch test on a corner of your furniture or tiles before using it everywhere for the first time. Also, remember to store these bottles in a cool place safely out of reach of your children and pets. So that covers the primary concerns about indoor toxins. Now we have a way to make our homes truly clean. Transitioning to a chemical-free lifestyle might seem like a small change, but it is a massive step towards better health for you and your loved ones. Staying close to nature, even in our cleaning habits, brings a sense of purity and peace to our living spaces. Start small, try one of these recipes today and feel the difference in the air you breathe. Stay healthy and stay happy. Namaste.